Dear all, North Korean hackers' Android malware steals sensitive data. The KoSpy is recently discovered Android malware campaign linked to North Korean hackers on Google Play Store. It targets Korean and English users by disguising itself as utilities like File Manager, Software Update and Kakao Security, while Secretary collects sensitive data including from SMS messages, call logs, precise location information, files from local storage, and captures screenshots from compromised devices. KoSpy can also record audio through the microphone, take photos using the device's cameras, and track keystrokes using accessibility services. All collected data is encrypted with a fixed AES key before being sent to the command and control servers, making the detection process more difficult. The malware uses a sophisticated two-stage command and control infrastructure. This approach allows threat actors to enable or disable the spyware remotely and change command servers if existing infrastructure is detected or blocked. Mitigation strategies. Updates SIEM, EDR and other endpoint security software with IOCs. Keep antivirus, endpoint security solution up to date.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe and click the bell icon for future videos.